The way the houses are built here, it's a bit different. You can see that it is kind of, it is rough though, still, isn't it?
Not quite brickwork. It looks different.
Like a bit of like wood and then rendered off with some like cement and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Like a cemented finish. Yeah. Yeah, so we just come here just to check to see if there's anybody home, but there's nobody here. But you can see that it's a living premises. Somebody's living right here at the front of the sea. But we're gonna go back into town, people here, and just see what I want. Jaywick people. Hey, you getting in? Adam wants to touch some seawater. Why not? We're here. Jaywick on sea. I'm gonna drive. I'm gonna join them as well, people. Yeah. Jaywick on sea, people. Yeah. And just have a look around the seas right here in front of us. Lucky.
Yo.
We're here. We're out of Croydon, mate. We're
here. Mate.
We're Jaywick on sea.
We're in Jaywick. We're gonna look at helping people out. See what it can do.
It's wet weather today, isn't it?
It's a bit wet weather, but I'm sure they want a bit of hot food for Ringo.
That is it, a good vibes. Look everyone, yeah, something different's going in today, yeah. We've got all the ingredients, them in the bags, but a good vibes. We're going somewhere different, out of Croydon today, and I'm bringing Adam and Lucky with me, people, yeah. That is it, a good vibes. All right, so we've got ourselves some hot chocolate for the journey, a good vibes. Yeah, Lucky, when's the last time you left Croydon?
About a year ago now, I think.
About a year ago?
Yeah.
All right, so we're just heading out of town now, people, yeah. A good vibes, look out for this one. We're on our way down to Jaywick. That is it. I've never actually been to Jaywick before, people, yeah, but I'm actually intrigued to see what I would see and how it is down there. I've heard a lot and I've seen things on television about Jaywick, but we're going down there for ourselves, people, yeah. A good vibes.
Time ago though, it might have changed a bit, but as you've probably seen from the TV, it ain't no different. It's all beach huts and shantytown.
So yes, people, so we're going to be heading down to Jaywick today, so look out for it. As Lucky just said, it's like a little shanty town of England. They said that it's the worst poverty place in England.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
It's got a population of 4,000 people.
Blimey.
Do you think we can feed the 4,000 people, Adam?
On a mission, mate, we should be able to do that.
Not today, obviously, but do you reckon we'll be able to feed those 4,000 in the little village?
People will be smelling it and coming straight along.
All right, so Lucky.
Yo.
We're on an adventure today, mate.
We're on a mission.
On a mission.
We're on a mission.
All right.
Ringo vision, man.
That is it.
Come on, good vibes.
And you know what as well, people, yeah? This is like some therapy for Lucky as well. Get him out of Croydon and, yeah, just something different. Do you know what I mean? A good vibes.
Keep rolling, good vibes.
All right, so look what the sat nav is saying, people, yeah. It's saying that we'll get there in 1 hour and 45 minutes to Jaywick, people, yeah. So the next time you see us properly, we're actually going to be in the town of Jaywick, people, yeah. Our good vibes. We're arguing.
Yeah. We're on a journey.
We're on a journey and they're saying who's sitting on which side of the car. We say, Adam, your leg's killing you.
Yes, mate.
Let's put some petrol in the car, people, yeah. A good vibe. So just to go down to where we're going, this is what we're going to start off with some petrol, people, yeah. So our good vibes. Yeah, man, we're just on the journey, people, yeah. Look, as I've said, yeah, 1 second, as I've said, we've have you been down to Jaywick before?
Never.
Never? Basically, all I've seen on the TV and stuff like that, that it's like a deprived part of England.
Poorest area, yeah.
Poorest area. But we're gonna tackle some of this poorness, people, yeah, and bring some vibration, some good vibes down at Jaywick. First of all, we have to top up first to reach down there. You understand? That is it, I got it right on point, 40 quid. Bag break. Okay, I'm looking forward to this one, you know.
Yo, come on, man. Jaywick, here we come.
So you're gonna help me gather the people, them in?
Cool, son.
That's it. That's it. Let's go, people. Back on the road again. Jaywick. Yes, people. So what I aim to achieve on the journey down to Jaywick is just basically touching with a few of the locals, meet a few of the locals, get to find out how it is and what it's like to live and what it's like to be in Jaywick, and just to see like just the humanitarian aspects from their point of view as well, people. Yeah. You understand? Our good vibes. We're on a journey now. We're just actually touching some hard motorway right now. So yeah, man.
Yes.
Our good vibes.
We're getting there.
We're getting there. We're there.
On the motorway.
On the motorway right now, people. Yeah. So yeah, man. So Jaywick. Aim is to hopefully touching with some locals, find out what Jaywick's all about, walk through the town. It's got a population of 4,000 people. You understand? Imagine if we could actually feed those 4,000 people in Jaywick, people, yeah? Let's do it. You understand? Alright, our good vibes here. We're on the road right now, yeah? That is it. Everyone, what's happening right now? We're going underneath the Dartford crossing. So show it to you on the sat nav, guys. That is it. A good vibe. So we're going to be on there for about approximately maybe about a minute. That is it. People, me and Lucky's just talking about how many times he's been up and down this country. Tell us, Lucky.
Right, well, basically, I'm a traveller boy. My family are travellers, and we used to do a lot of lorry driving and driving trucks up and down. So I pretty much know my route away anywhere.
Good vibes.
Good
so,
vibes, huh?
So it's just right, people. Yeah. Lucky's been a part of the journey, and I've been feeding Lucky. Initially found Lucky, or the universe connected us together through his daughter, initially sending a message through the social media saying, Ringo, can you look out for my dad, etc. and etc. And then suddenly we're here and we've connected, and now we're going down to Jaywick to tackle part of the poorest place in the UK, and Lucky wants to come and also be a part of that journey, and Adam's here with us as well, people.
Adam's here as well.
You understand?
Woke me up with a bit of a shock this morning.
They thought I was gonna be out in Croydon, cooking in Croydon today. So when I went and checked Lucky, I said, Lucky, look, we're going Jaywick. Adam didn't know what was up.
I didn't know, no.
Adam didn't have a clue. We just dragged him along on the journey, people. Yeah. So yeah, man, we're on our way to Jaywick, people. Yeah. Big up yourself. I'm excited to get down there to start tackling whatever issue they have. You understand, people? Yeah. Lucky and Adam's gonna be assisting me today, and while we're down there, connecting with the locals. We've got loads of ingredients in the back of the car as well. We've got the pulley. We've got the gas stoves as well. So if there is a possibility that we can cook and gather some people and cook for some people, that's gonna definitely happen, people.
Good
Yeah.
vibes,
Bringing the Croydon food all the way to Jaywick.
No, tell them. No. Say that again, Adam.
Bringing Croydon food all the way to Jaywick.
Good vibes, people.
Good vibes, good vibes. We need to get this on camera, guys.
Sorry, man.
We've got barter right back around here. Like we've got barter, so we get.
You want your shit?
You forgot about me, man.
Do you want a fiver?
If you want, yeah, go on. I'll do.
It's my last fiver.
Yeah,
You gonna
that's
take
fine.
my last fiver?
Yeah.
On camera?
Yeah, why not?
You're gonna take my last fiver on
Why
camera?
not? You're offering, man. Come on. I'll give it back to you straight after.
Yeah, I know you.
Yes.
Our good vibes, people. Look, hey. Alright, everyone. So look what the sat nav saying, people. Yeah. So our good vibes. The weather doesn't look too pleasant today, either, people. Yeah. But guess what? We're still on the go.
We're still here. We're recruiting people. If you want to come and help, come and help. Love to you all. Good vibes.
Gonna be living it up in Jaywick, straight out of Croydon, coming to Jaywick.
Good vibes.
This is the flavours.
Yes, we're
Good
bringing the
flavours
Croydon
all the
flavours
time.
all
We're
the way from Croydon to Jaywick. We're bringing them. We're bringing them.
Yes, people. So we've actually come onto Jaywick Lane at the moment on the sat nav. So yeah, man, our good vibes. So yeah, we
Almost there, continuing
no.
the mission.
So we're almost there, people, yeah? So our good vibes. Let me just spin the camera around and show you what the environment looks like, our good vibes. So the sat nav says that we're 3 minutes away. So yeah, man, we've done the journey, people, yeah? Our good vibes. We're just driving through the town of Jaywick Lane. The sat nav will take us exactly where we need to go, people, yeah? So we're gonna get there together, our good vibes.
Rolls Royce. Lovely. Rolls Royce.
Yeah, I'll see the range.
Just had to show you this, guys. So it's like we've come into Jaywick right now. So yeah, man, we're gonna be going through town. Our good vibes. I'll be showing you guys what we see. Can you hear some seagulls? Like we're near to a sea coast as well. Yeah, man, our good vibes. So yeah, people, this is the entrance to Jaywick. So we're actually in Jaywick. We're gonna drive through. You understand, people? Yeah, our good vibes. We don't know who we're gonna see and who we're gonna meet into, but it's a wet day today. But we're there with our Jaywick right now. We'll soon park up and take a walk around town. Yes, everybody, we finally reached here. We're Jaywick on Sea, people, yeah. Just have a look around. The sea's right here in front of us. It's a wet day, it's winter. Come, let's have a little walk. Yeah, man, I haven't been here before, people, yeah. I've had a lot of research and I've done a lot of research and it said that it's got a population of 4,000 people. So we want to try and connect with as much people as we can today, everybody, yeah. Look out for the rest of the video. We're actually here, Jaywick on Sea, people, yeah. Good vibes. You know what's going to happen today, people, yeah. We're going to try and feed some people. And the mission continues. And thank you to each and every one of you that has been on the journey with us and that is supporting. You saw the Christmas dinner. The Christmas dinner was absolutely amazing. Adam's here on camera today, people, yeah, so big up Adam. Our good vibes. I see you guys in a little while. That is it. Lucky.
Yo.
We're here, we're out of Croydon, mate. And we're
we are,
here.
mate.
We're Jaywick on Sea.
We're in Jaywick. We're going to look at helping people out. See what it can do.
It's wet weather today, isn't it?
It's a bit wet weather, but I'm sure they want a bit of hot food for Ringo.
That is it. Our good vibes.
Good vibes.
Right, before we start the work, people, yeah. Adam, what are you going to do? You getting in? Adam wants to touch some seawater. Why not? We're here. Jaywick on Sea. I'm gonna drive. I'm gonna join him as well, people. Yeah. Why not? Why not, mate? We come down.
Pick up a little souvenir.
Yeah, that is it.
Yes.
Yeah. Look, we come down to the sea, and one love 24-hour kitchen picture. Yeah. That is it. Touch the seawater quickly. It's here. Jaywick on Sea. All right. Let's get down to some business now, people, yeah? And the mission continues. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you that has been contributing and that has been sending through things and that has been donating to the channel, especially through to the GoFundMe people. You guys have been supporting, and it's things like this that's going to be happening. You guys are supporting journeys like this, big movements like this. We've come all the way out of London and we've travelled like 2 hours literally away from home, and we're in a totally different place right now today, and we're going to do the mission. We've brought the mission now on the road, people, yeah, and this is all on the support, on the help of you guys. Soon we'll have a food truck on the road. You guys are going to make it possible, and we're going to make it happen, and we're going to cover England, yeah, and we're going to spread the love and bring back the joy amongst humanity, people, yeah. That is it, our good vibes. Let's get involved with Jaywick right now and try and connect with some locals. Why not? Why not, mate? We come down.
Pick up a little souvenir.
Yeah, that is it.
Yes.
Yeah, look, we come down to the sea, and one love 24-hour kitchen kitchen, yeah. That is it. Touch the seawater quickly. Is here. Jaywick on sea. All right, let's get down to some business now, people, yeah. And the mission continues. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you that has been contributing and that has been sending through things and that has been donating to the channel, especially through to the GoFundMe people. You guys have been supporting, and it's things like this that's going to be happening. You guys are supporting journeys like this, big movements like this. We've come all the way out of London and we've travelled like 2 hours literally away from home, and we're in a totally different place right now today, and we're going to do the mission. We've brought the mission now on the road, people, yeah, and this is all on the support, on the help of you guys. Soon we'll have a food truck on the road. You guys are going to make it possible, and we're going to make it happen, and we're going to cover England, yeah, and we're going to spread the love and bring back the joy amongst humanity, people, yeah. That is it, our good vibes. Let's get involved with Jaywick right now and try and connect with some locals. It's the first sign of we're here, Jaywick on sea, and we're looking around the town, but right on the coastline here we spotted a tent. Don't know if there's anybody home, but there's a few set up right here. But alright, we'll come back later on, but we're right here, Jaywick on sea. Yeah, so we've just come here just to check to see if there's anybody home, but there's nobody here. But you can see that it's a living premises. Somebody's living right here at the front of the sea. But we're gonna go back into town, people, here, and just see what I want. Jaywick, people. Yes, everybody. So we're on the mission. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. Me, Adam, and Lucky. Should we walk down through this lane here? This is the first lane.
No,
but let's just check it out anyway. Me, Adam, and Lucky, we're just going to be here and we're just checking out Jaywick right now, people, yeah? So look out for the next coming videos that's going to be coming out on Jaywick, people, yeah? Our good vibes, that is it.
Good vibe.